let's fix if you can't follow on Instagram. Now, if you're trying to follow somebody on Instagram and it won't let you, or you followed a bunch of different people and it won't let you follow any more people, I'm going to walk you through steps to get that fixed. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. So if I open up Instagram and say I tap the search icon at the bottom left, and then let's just search for something random like surfing and switch over to accounts. Now you can see a bunch of different accounts here. If I just go through this entire list and keep following all of them, then most likely Instagram will think there might be somebody who hacked into my account, or there might be a bot that's following a bunch of people. So a common thing that people will try to do to get more followers is they'll follow a bunch of people and then unfollow them, trying to kind of tease them into following your specific account. So Instagram keeps limits on how much and how often you can follow people. So if you're going through an entire list following a bunch of people, basically the only option you have is to slow down, to not do that as much. The other thing is that Instagram has a limit of 7,500 people or accounts that you can follow. So if you have 7,500 accounts that you're following, you cannot follow any more until you unfollow some of those. But you can see if I go through here and follow just a few of them, and maybe it gives me that error and says I cannot follow anymore, there could be something and an issue with your specific account. Maybe somebody hacked into it. So let's hop out here and just open up Safari or any kind of web browser, and let's type in Instagram hacked and hit go. And then it says the second one, if you think your Instagram account has been hacked, you can go there and it'll walk you through different steps, because potentially if you haven't followed a bunch of people, but it's giving you this follow limit, or you can't follow more people, then potentially your account has been hacked, or a third party has gained access to your Instagram account and is following a bunch of accounts. So you might want to change your password and just report it to Instagram that your account was hacked. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.